There's no need to call in to make your loan payment. That's a simple task you can check off from your desktop computer or mobile device. Let me walk you through how easy it is. Log in to your Blue Eagle Credit Union account on your desktop or mobile device. Click the icon that says Money on the mobile app or Move Money on the desktop. Click Payments and Transfers. You are able to now determine which account to pull the money from, the origin account, and where it needs to go to, the destination account. Click From Account. Your available accounts will appear on this pop-up screen. Once you click the account to pull the funds from, again, the origin account, the main transfer screen will reappear and the chosen account will be in the origin box. Click to select the destination account where the payment should be applied. To make a principal-only payment that does not advance to your next loan payment due date, click the box in the middle of the screen. You also have options for creating a one-time immediate transfer or recurring transfer. If the transfer should be a date in the future, change the starting date accordingly. You can also adjust the payment amount from the amount due, the standard payment, past due amount, or you can even pay off your loan in full. There's a space at the bottom for an optional short memo if you care to add one. Then click Continue. Review the payment details for accuracy and click Submit. See that success screen? Feel that loan balance getting a little lighter? Nice job! And there is another box checked for managing your loan payment. Find more of our tips online at blueeaglecreditunion.com.